Stress is one of the biggest challenges of modern life, affecting both our physical and mental health. But the good news is we can reduce stress and restore our energy through proper nutrition and detoxification. Stay with me in this video as we explore simple, science-backed techniques for managing stress. When we're stressed, a hormone called cortisol increases in our body. This hormone can drain our energy, weaken our immune system, and even cause digestive issues. But the good news is, we can counteract these effects naturally with proper nutrition and detoxification. Research shows that certain foods can reduce stress levels. For example, spinach and nuts are rich in magnesium, which helps calm the nervous system. Fatty fish like salmon provide omega-3s, which reduce inflammation caused by stress. Oranges and other citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, which helps lower cortisol levels. On the other hand, it's best to avoid sugar, caffeine, and processed foods as they can make stress worse. One of the factors that can worsen stress is the buildup of toxins in the body. These toxins can disrupt hormonal balance and cause fatigue. A simple detox drink can help. Start your day with warm lemon water. Or try a combination of cucumber, lemon, and ginger infused in water throughout the day. The food we eat directly impacts our bioenergy. Natural plant-based foods boost the body's energy and help reduce stress. In contrast, processed and heavy foods can drain energy and make you feel more tired. Here are a few practical tips to manage stress. Practice mindful eating. Focus on the taste, smell, and texture of your food. Add a simple daily detox routine, like drinking lemon water or a green smoothie. Incorporate more natural, plant-based foods into your diet. Managing stress through nutrition and detoxification is not only simple, but also incredibly effective. If you have your own tips for reducing stress with food or detox, share them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more health tips.